baby boo-boo.
You have a baby boo-boo? Why is it so dark? Say, good morning from Animal Kingdom. Or the Animal Kingdom parking lot, kind of. We're in line to park. You say good morning?
More.
What are we gonna see today?
More.
What are you excited to see today? Animals. I'm not singing round and round. Are you excited to see the animals?
Up, down.
Stop singing Wheels on the Bus.
Up, down.
Can you say animals?
Up, down.
You're so stubborn.
Up, down.
Anyways, we are in the Animal Kingdom like line waiting to park.
Up,
at the park.
Down.
Today, yesterday, well, first of all, yesterday's vlog was really hard to vlog. Like, I filmed a lot, but I don't know how well I like talked during the vlog. Because it's just a lot harder to vlog when you're like stressed. And yesterday was just a very stressful day. It was very hot. The masks were annoying as all get out. And like Sebastian was overwhelmed. All of us were still like running really low on sleep. I think we all got a better night's sleep last night. We all had showers after the day and it was much better. The only thing going into today that sucks is I have a blister from yesterday, which is really painful, but hopefully that doesn't bother me too much. And today will hopefully be less crowded because we're not at Magic Kingdom on a weekend. So hopefully today will just be a little bit better day. We're going to go into Animal Kingdom and the first thing we're going to go do is ride the Safari because we want to see the animals when they first get up. And then I'll probably tell Zach to go get in line for Avatar or something since like I can't ride it, but I know he wants to. And that way he can get that out of the way before it gets too busy. And then we'll see kind of what the day holds from there, but we're excited. Hopefully today's going to be a better day. Are you excited for today?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am.
Are you excited for today?
Emma.
Are you excited for today?
Emma.
Animals. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna see monkeys? Are you gonna see tigers? Are you gonna see lions? Are you gonna see elephants? That's right. Are you gonna see, what else are we gonna see? You can see a giraffe. Giraffe. Is elephants your favorite? Was that your favorite ride yesterday? Yeah, you liked Dumbo. Dumbo. Say, all right, say, we'll see you when we get inside. Bye, bye. You want to cover it? Put your hand up there. Put your hand over the lens. Say bye. Look, we're gonna see lots of animals today. Let's keep going, keep going. Sebastian, are you excited to see the animals? Yay! Are we on a train? It looks like a train to you? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Camera.
Hide and seek memo. So over on the right hand side, we are going to see that oak copy. Now this oak copy does appear to be wearing their zebra pants today. Getting tangled.
You see the rhinoceros?
Now over here on the left, we're going to get an amazing look at these two black rhinos.
Wow.
Now aside from moms and babies, these black
What's it crocodile say? Or an alligator?
Diet normally consists of just fish.
Nope.
Pretty much
There's one right here with a peak back. Is this so fun? So fun. We haven't seen the giraffe yet.
And antelope, they're gonna mow those grasses. Now directly off to the right here, we are gonna see these smaller size antelopes. They look a little bit like s'mores.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
These are gonna be they do stand about 6 foot tall.
Wow.
20 feet height. Now if you notice the pattern in there,
They're running.
look a little bit like a jagged profile. This is how we know they're the Maasai giraffe. As
Is that so cool? Run,
run.
run.
Pattern on their coats.
Giraffe, look.
Now these giraffes, they can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, but at a leisurely pace like we usually see them traveling, they do travel.
Did you see the giraffe?
No.
Sophie.
Quite parked out there.
Can you say flamingo? Mean.
Now how cool is that?
That was awesome.
That is my absolute favorite way to start the morning.
That was cool.
As I was saying, that roar, it doesn't sound very...
Did you have so much fun on the safari? What animals did you see? A giraffe? Did you see a lion? Roar? Yeah, Dada's gonna ride Everest. So we went on the safari, and it was super fun. We got to hear the lion roar, which was really exciting. And then we went and grabbed a coffee and Mickey cinnamon roll, the giant colossal cinnamon roll. I'll insert a picture because I didn't pull out the vlog camera, I just took a picture of it. It was by far the best cinnamon roll I've had. We had one yesterday from Gaston's Tavern, but today's was so much better. Highly recommend. Today's already been a better day than yesterday. The cast members have been like 10 times nicer. Nobody's been rude like yesterday. So today's been just like off to a way better start. And now Sebastian is stealing my drink. It's just a vanilla bean frappuccino, so not a big deal. And Zach is about to ride Everest up there. So we are just chilling, waiting for him to ride that. It was only like a 10-minute wait, which is probably really only like a 5-minute wait. So by the time he rides that, we'll see kind of where we're going next. We were gonna go straight to Avatar, but Avatar was already up to a 60 or 90-minute wait, and I'm not sitting around for 90 minutes while he rides that. So you can have some in a minute. So we'll see. Might head to Dino Land. I know Sebastian will have fun there. So yeah, keep you up to date, but we're just gonna enjoy our coffee while we wait for Dada. Do you see Daisy? Say hi, Daisy. Dashi, say hi, Daisy. That's not Mickey, it's Donald and Daisy. Daisy. She's waving at you. Say hi, Daisy. Aww. Daisy. Oh, Daisy.
Yeet. This is actually a pretty fun, smooth roller coaster right here. Doesn't have a big drop, but it is what it is. Second time on it in a row. I'll take it. But I got front seat, so here we go.
Wave, say hi. Hi, Bubba, you see all the dinosaurs?
Let's get ride the dinosaur, Bubba.
You want to ride the dinosaurs?
Over here. Bubba.
Bashi, come this way. You ready to ride the dinosaur? Roar. Bubba, do you hear the monkeys? What's a monkey say?
Oh, I gotta find out where the butterfly is.
Okay, so what did we just went to? Where'd we? Flame Tree. Went to Flame Tree. I'll insert a picture because again didn't pull the vlog camera out. Don't even know if you can hear me. But we had some delicious barbecue mac and cheese and a Halloween scar cupcake. And then we also tried the spooky apple punch drink, and it was all really good. We had a great time, delicious food. And now we are over in Pandora for the first time today. The Avatar line has dropped down to only like 60 minutes and it seems like it's moving. So yeah, Zach's gonna
50 minutes starts there.
I know. But either way, so Zach's gonna try and ride this. Sebastian fell asleep, so this is perfect timing to wait in a long line without feeling like we're wasting our day or like wasting his nap with him not being able to ride anything because he can't ride this anyways. So we're in Pandora. Zach's gonna ride Flight of Passage. Hey, Sebastian, are you excited to go on a boat? Whoa! Woo!
Yeah.
Whoa, Bubba, is that fun? Look. Bashi, can you say bye, Animal Kingdom? Bye, Emino. Look, you got a Mickey Halloween treat. Yeah, is that a pumpkin cup? What else is in there? There's nothing in it yet. What else is in here? Look. Hey, look in your basket. What else is in there?
Halloween.
Halloween? What else? Did you find a Halloween book?
Halloween.
What else is in there?
Wow.
Wow.
Oh.
And it's my last one. Now that he has a voice, does anyone know what Marvin is saying?
Is that a Mickey Halloween book? Look, what else? What is this?
Mommy.
Look.
Oh.
Yeah, Jock.
Mommy.
Yeah, we'll open these in a little bit. What is this? Look, did you get some Mickey PJs? Your raw hand sanitizer? Did you get some Mickey PJs?
Baby. Baby. Mama.
Thank you.
What?
Yeah, it's a Mickey Halloween book.
Mommy. Mommy.
Can you say thank you? All right, so we left Animal Kingdom at like what, 2:30, something like that. We knew we had dinner down at Disney Springs tonight, but we left Animal Kingdom because we had done everything and we were just kind of like, well, let's just leave and go take a break at the hotel. We all needed it. So that's what we did. We went and laid at the hotel and hung out for a little bit, and now we are in Disney Springs. The camera is crooked. And we are about to go eat. You can get him, yeah. We're about to go eat at Chef Art Smith's Homecoming, which is supposed to be, supposed to be, from all the reviews I read, super, super yummy. So, very excited to go and try some mac and cheese. And yeah, so we'll see you when we get there. Hang on, we gotta talk. We gotta say, so we ate dinner. Was dinner yummy? Yummy? Yeah, we did have bok bok. Did you have mac and cheese? No, Mommy's holding it. You can hold it in a minute. Did we have mac and cheese? You have a boo-boo? Yeah. Yeah, so we went to dinner. Dinner was delicious. I will insert a picture. I didn't vlog at dinner. But the thigh-high chicken biscuits I got were so good. And anyways, so we ate dinner and we just got back. And we are gonna go to the pool and kind of just unwind and relax for 45 minutes or so, and then come and do bedtime. But it's been a great day. Today was definitely much better than yesterday. Yeah. Can you say bye to the vlog? Can you say thanks for watching?
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Bye.
Can you say thanks for watching?
Bye.
Stop trying to take my band. Can you say thanks for watching? Can you say thanks? Do you want to cover the camera and say bye? You want to cover it?
Boop.
You cover it with your head. Boop. Okay, bye.